All right, welcome to video number 14, and we are going to be setting up your social media links. Okay, how can you integrate your Instagram, your Facebook, your YouTube channel, so on and so forth into your website? Okay, it's very simple actually. Okay, so we're gonna do it, and we're gonna go right now. Excuse me. Okay, so since we are not going to be right here on the dashboard, okay, we are not gonna need this. We actually need to do this directly from your um, template. Now, you don't see any social media around some of the templates that it does right here. See, okay. So either you can have it right here, which I love, to be honest with you. Some people have it right on the top of the website. It's totally fine. But for today, just for the purpose of this video, we are going to keep it right here. Okay. So we're gonna double click. Usually every single template has a social media bar. And if it doesn't, that's fine. And you can put it in different places, okay? Set social media links. We're gonna be setting this up. Already we have Facebook and we have Instagram. Then, okay, once again, I do it again. Click, set social media, add icon, and then you're gonna say you can either whatever you choose, whatever the style of the elements you want, you go for it. Everything is here. So I'm going to do YouTube. All right, so and since I believe it's this one here, maybe not. I think it's this one here. Let me see. Yeah, okay, it is the same. Can you see the shade, the little color of the this? So just make sure it's the same. I believe it's down. Let me see. Maybe it's different. Maybe it's this one. I think it is. No, no. Can you see the color? Okay, it's this one here. Okay, so then we're gonna do LinkedIn. Is it linked? Ink, 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 ink. How do you spell LinkedIn? So many of them. Okay. It is easier. Okay, so we're gonna add this one here. Okay, so which one do you want first? I think for me, I want Instagram first, and then I want Facebook, and then those. Let's play this one for me. Okay, now just click on the Instagram icon and then keep it right there and say link. And this is gonna say where to a website address for sure. So go into your browser and make sure you already have the URL ready. Paste. That's it. Facebook. You can either do your personal Facebook, or if you have a business page, then you link that as well. Okay, I have a few here. I think, I mean, that's for clients of mine. Not necessarily. I only have one. So I'm going to do my business. You can do your business or you can do your personal one. Paste. And then I'm going to my YouTube channel, which I already have it here. Okay. Make sure the URL it's there. And lastly, we have LinkedIn, which I already have it here. And that's it. Done. Now we have 4. Okay. What I want to do here, I don't know if the space is the same. It doesn't look the same. Okay, layout, icon size. Yeah, I don't think it's, I don't know why it's not giving me the same. Can you see that? Can you see the spacing between the icons? I don't know why it's that way. It can be horizontal or it can be vertical. We're gonna just leave it the way it is. And as I save it, and done, and then preview. I'm gonna close this window. So okay, let's see if it works. Okay, I don't know why it's giving me that space no accurate, but anyway, there it is. So when people click on that, there's my Facebook. I'm sorry, my Instagram. There's my Facebook page. It's pretty simple, right? All of this, and then my YouTube channel. There it is. And then my LinkedIn. There it is. Okay. And whatever you have, whatever you want to link to. There you go. Okay, you guys, that's pretty much it. How you set up your social media, and that's it. Okay, this can be anywhere. Yeah, maybe on the top, whatever you want. All right. See you in the next video.